bronze level Alemana. 4-1 and 2 and 30, 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 4-1. Reverse angle, bronze level Alemana from reverse angle. 4-1 and 2 and 30, 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 4-1. So let's take a look at the girl steps first. So for the ladies, you're gonna be in fan position, you're gonna close your leg, replace your weight, you have a forward walk, forward walk. Now you have a Alemana itself, so think about like you're doing spot turns. So you're doing a hip twist first, then you have step, pivot, then you have a replace of your weight forward, then you have again the sense of the hip twist diagonally, preferably diagonally, and then you're finishing with a beautiful forward walk on count 4-1. So this is the girl steps. Now what are the men steps? So men, for the guys, you start from the fan position, you have a check forward walk, which preferably going diagonal as well, replace backward, closing the leg. Now you have a backward cucaracha step. Key and 30, finishing with the forward, diagonal forward walk. There.
Let's take a look.
And 2 and 30 and 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 4-1. Alemana. So what tips we got for you here? So number one tip is, as always, stay connected towards your partner. So ladies, as you dance, you always have to have a sensation of give, even when you're going away, maybe especially when you're going away. So if we demonstrate with this high five connection, so as JJ developing her beautiful fan position, she give. As she changes way, she still give, and she still give, and she still give, and she's still giving connection, giving. So we constantly feel connected this way. So try to avoid doing hooks. Even though they exist, we'll explain you how to do them right. Okay, so number two tip is a direction of your steps. So when you do actual Alemana, the turn, try to step always into diagonals. So what does it mean? So we're from this beautiful fan position, we come towards each other. Now from here, starting from here, we try to think about diagonals for the girl. So she's going diagonal this corner, then she pivots, now she's going diagonally this corner, now she hip twists, now she steps diagonally this corner. So as you're doing your Alemana turn, step into diagonals. That's tip number two. And then tip number three is for the man. As the girl comes in here from the fan, and 2 and 30 for the man here, direct your body for the girl and spread your wings. Tummy in as wide as possible. Create that space for the girl to turn so she feels a lot of space to dance inside. So for the man, create space. Practice your Alemana and see you in the next lesson.